Welcome to question number 17, WASSCE 2025, the February and January edition. We are to calculate correct to one decimal place the mean deviation of the data set 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. Remember, to find the mean deviation, we need a sigma, the absolute value of x minus x bar, which is the mean, divided by n. So if this is in your mind, then we need to know that we need to find the x, the value minus the mean. So the first thing to find is to find the mean. And we know to find mean, which is the x bar, is the sigma x over what? N. Meaning we need to add all these values you have been given: 6, 8, 10, 12, and what? 14. Divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 of them. What do we do? I can see this plus this will give you 20, 30, 40, 50. So we have 50 divided by 5, and that will give us what? 10. So let's draw our table here. We have our x value. Let's see, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So x minus x bar, meaning the values we are having here minus 10. So 6 minus 10 minus 4 minus 2, 0, 2. That will be 4, right? Then let's go for the absolute value of x minus the x bar. Absolute value, meaning the value without the negative sign. We are looking for only the distance, the value, which is 4, 2, 0, 2, 4. We need to find the sigma, absolute value of the x minus x bar. If you add this, you get 8. If you add this, you get 6, sorry, so that will be 12. Good. So now our mean deviation is the value we are having here as 12 divided by the n, which is what? 5. 5 will go into 10. That will be 2 times, then 0.4. So we have 2.4, one decimal place. So the mean deviation is going to be this. Remember, the mean deviation is different from the standard deviation. So there is no square root applied in this case. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.